Hey, happy travelers, vacation travel hacks here with the spring break edition of how to win without Genie Plus. A lot of people know that you can spend 20 to 30 bucks per person per day to cut down on wait times. But the point of these videos is how do we save money and maximize not standing in line for 2 to 3 hours per ride. Let's talk about Smugglers Run, the Millennium Falcon ride in Hollywood Studios. Very popular. What we already know, very common knowledge. Hey, if I get to the park first with a cup of coffee, I can win. And winning for Smugglers Run is standing in line for 75 minutes or less. You can do that if you rope drop, but no, after 10:30, it builds. It builds 90 minutes, 120 into the afternoon. But then something very magical happens right around the dinner time. And park hopping time. People start leaving Hollywood Studios. As you know, there's no nighttime spectacular. So it starts to drop a little bit as the folks who rope dropped got in there, rode Rise of the Resistance and headed on over to the Millennium Falcon. There is an afternoon drop off from, 2.5 hours and down to half that, really 75 minutes. Builds a little bit longer as people leave their afternoon snack. Some of the Phantasmic dinners are early. The Phantasmic dinner lunches are early, so they start leaving their dinner and builds back up to about 90 to 85 minutes. But after 5:30, team, take a look. 75, 75, 65, 80. This is not, while this was taken over the screenshot during early peak spring break, I saw this on the New Year's Eve trip that we took. I saw this over Thanksgiving. There is a drop off as people leave the Star Wars land area and head over to the Phantasmic area. As a matter of fact, if you saw my other video about Tower of Terror, the reason there's a 2-hour wait for Tower of Terror is that's the only ride that's over there right now. And everyone says, hey, I'm over here anyway for Phantasmic. The volume's over there. And then whatever volume isn't there, Slinky Dog Dash, people head in over there because there's a couple rides over there. So anyway, that is one of the reasons that the volume really tails off and never really builds back in, because at that point in the day, your feet hurt. You really don't want to walk to the back corner of the park to stand in line. Thus, closing the shop at the Millennium Falcon is a strong, unlike Tower of Terror where it stays 2 hours at this time. Check out the other video. This is a strong use of time. So anyway, I hope this saves you some time. I hope this saves you some money. That's the point of it. And if I'm not talking Disney, then I'm not having a very good time. I enjoy talking Disney. All right, team, see you in the next video. Stay safe.